legendary Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. Mathematics, the bridge to innovation and progress. IFA has size to how mathematical principles underpin advancement in science, technology and innovation. This day serves as an opportunity to inspire young minds, promote problem-solving skills and celebrate the beauty of mathematics. Jazakallah khair.
Scene 1. Introduction in the classroom. Azan acting as a student and Afwan acting as a teacher.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Today we are celebrating Mathematics Day. Can anyone tell me why this day is important? Okay, Azan, tell me.
Yes, it's celebrated to honor the great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan and his contribution to mathematics.
Yes, indeed, he was a great mathematician. Now let's explore the Mathematics Day by some fun role plays. Welcome to my store.
Hello, I want to buy a jacket.
There's 20% discount on all items today.
Buy this jacket priced at 1,500 rupees. How much will it cost after discount?
The discount is 20% of rupees 1,500, so 300. 1,500 minus 300 is equal to 1,200. So the final price of the jacket is 1,200.
Here you go, this is 1,500.
Yeah, you saved 300.
Yay, I saved 300 rupees. Thank you.
Fantastic! Math helps us during sales to save our money.
Scene 3, a building project. Abdul Rahman and Khadija acting as engineers.
We are designing a rectangular garden. Its length is 15 meters and it is 10 meters wide. Can anyone tell me what is its area?
The area is length into width, so 15 into 10 is equals to 150 meters.
If we want to add a fence around a rectangular garden, the perimeter will be 2 times length plus width. For example, length is 15 meters and the width is 10 meters. That the perimeter will be 2 into 25 is equals to 50 meters.
Great teamwork! Great teamwork! Geometry is vital in constructions and design. Thank you!
Scene 4, a scenario of money deposit introduction at the bank. Habiba acting as a bank teller and Yusuf acting as a customer.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I would like to deposit some money.
Absolutely, I can help you with that. Could I please have your account number and a valid ID?
Yes. My valid number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my ID. Valid.
Thank you. How much would you like to deposit today?
I would like to deposit rupees 2,000.
Got it. Is this confirmed from you?
Yes. 2,000 rupees.
Got it. Perfect. 2,000 in cash. I'll process the deposit right away. Your deposit has been successfully made.
Sure, thank
My
you.
pleasure. Have a great day.
Fantastic! Math also helps us manage our finances effectively.
Scene 5. Planning a road trip. Time and speed. Socrates pretending to plan a road trip.
We are traveling to a city that is 240 kilometers far away. How much time will it take to reach?
Time is equals distance upon speed. So the distance we need to cover is 240 kilometers. Upon speed is 60 kilometers per hour. So the total time taken is 4 hours.
If we reach the speed of 80 kilometers per hour, 240 upon 80, time taken will be 3 hours.
Good. Speed, distance, time calculations are essential for travel planning. Thank you.
Mathematics is a part of everything we do: shopping, building, banking, traveling, and more. What do you think about math now?
It's amazing how math connects to your life.
Happy Math